Based on the latest evolution of our well-established 3240 engine, we developed a retrofit upgrade package that delivers significant benefits for existing 3240 engines, particularly under part load operation. The upgrade, featuring the new TCF20 turbocharger, optimized variable injection timing and a wastegate, creates a setup that matches the requirements of the actual operating profile of the majority of active 3240 engines. Initial tests with the TCF20, developed here in our Turbocharger Performance Center, have already surpassed expectations.
Installation of the TCF20 turbocharger is straightforward, since it uses only serial design components from the latest 3240 series. This means reduced OPEX, reliable spare parts availability for decades, and full compliance with the latest product safety standards. And the best part? The 3240 efficiency package with the TCF20 already meets the upcoming IMO NOx requirements without compromising savings or performance. The 3240 efficiency package with TCF20 offers a fast payback for our customers. It is easy to install, fully compliant with upcoming regulatory requirements, and already proving itself in field tests. And with an attractive pricing, this upgrade is set to deliver real value from day one.